What's up guys, welcome back, I'm Chilli, and today we're going to be helping you uninstall and reinstall your grips. This could be for multiple reasons, maybe worn down grips, or you just want a new colour. But we're going to be helping you change your grips today, so let's get right into it. There are multiple ways of installing your grips, too many to even talk about. But I'm going to talk about 3 today. So we have WD-40, we can insert this piece into the grips and slide them off nice and easy. We have brute force, just pulling them suckers right off the handlebars. Or we can cut them off if we're having a struggle. I don't recommend this, and if you are going to use a knife, please get parental consent or ask your parents to do it for you. And now when installing the grips, there's also multiple ways to install the grips. You can just put them right on brute force, maybe an air compressor, or you can use hairspray. This stuff slides right on and dries straight away so you don't have your grips sliding around. So let's get right into changing our grips. So that is just a few of many ways to take off and re-put on grips. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you guys want to learn anything else about a scooter or have genuine questions, just comment below. Make sure you follow all of our social media so you never miss any content from us. I'm Chilli, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.